Hello, we're at 2245 Larkin and this is apartment 12. We are on the second floor out of 3 and it's a 22 unit building. Okay, right when you come in, have a gorgeous kitchen. Black and white tile floor. We got a full-size fridge, dishwasher, gas stove, exhaust fan, black granite countertops, and these beautiful red lacquer kitchen cabinets. There's a little dining area here off of the kitchen. And then when you come down the hallway, you will find the bathroom. Okay, got a tile surround, shower over tub. Okay, and then here's the bathroom sink with some storage underneath. And then there's a medicine chest here. Okay, and the towel bars. The tile in here is original to the building, so I really love that octagonal pattern. Then here outside of the living room, we have this enormous closet. Please excuse the buckets of paint, those will go away. Got some shelves, so this one is real big. You could even fit a dresser in here if you wanted. You'll see the cable there on the floor, that's for Xfinity. It comes out right here in the living room for Xfinity, you know, otherwise known as Comcast, for whatever cable and internet services you want. Okay, we're here in the living room now. This unit has electric wall-mounted heat. You'll see another one in the bedroom. Beautiful bay window. We are facing east, and this is Larkin right at Union. So we're in a really prime Russian Hill neighborhood. So I'll just give you the view out of the living room window. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout this unit. And then there are French doors, which I have open here between the living room and the bedroom. Big bedroom, you can do a king-size bed in here, no problem. The bedroom is away from the street, so it's facing the passageway here between, for our building and the building next door. All right, that's looking back at the living room. And then we have a nice big double closet in here as well. This building does have laundry on site, 2 washers, 2 dryers, and it uses an app called Shine Pay instead of coins. It's much easier. And yeah, if you want to make an appointment, reach out and I would be happy to get you over here so you can take a look in person. All right, thanks so much for watching. Again, this has been 2245 Larkin, apartment 12.